Welcome to day, what day is it? December, hold on. Day number 15. I'm making chocolate chip cookies right now. All the baking supplies are out. We already got homemade cookies. That's in the tin. And then the Tupperware back there is cookies. And so I got flour and sugar. I got the recipe. About to bake. Currently baking cookies. About to add the chocolate chip syrup. That's the mix. I should turn it off for now. I'm making a mess. Cookies are in the oven. They're almost done. And I got the next batch waiting. Here's the dough. I gotta make a couple more trays and then I should be done baking chocolate chip cookies. And then also my mom is baking a bunch of cookies too. She made oatmeal cookies yesterday, snickerdoodles, and like double chocolate chip cookies. So it's cookie time. We got the second batch in the oven, third batch ready to go, and the first batch is cooling. We also have a Christmas story going in the background. How cute. I lost my old Switch, so I have to create a whole new island and do everything on my Switch that's over here. I'm so mad. I've lost it since July and I have not found it in my room at all. I didn't bring it anywhere. Last time I saw it was in my room and I don't know what happened. So that's fun. And holy shit guys, I didn't realize I have 4 ducks to open. I forgot I didn't open any ducks in the last Vlogmas show. Let's open some ducks. Okay, let's start with day number 12. Okay, that's adorable.
What the hell even are those?
Gift.
Oh, gifts. I see.
That's cute. Alright, 13, my lucky number. Let's see if it's good. Let's see if it's good. Let's see if it's good. That's ugly. It's just trees. Doritos. Cool Ranch Doritos. I'm like destroying this box. Jesus Christ. This one's a cutie. This one's a cutie. His eyes are soulless, but he's cute.
He is.
Like these ones have normal cute eyes, and then you have.
No, I'm looking at some of the other ducks up there, and there's a lot of soulless holes staring.
And then today is the 15th, so let's open the last one. And oh no, this is adorable. It looks a little bit too much like Jungle Vines, but oh wait, maybe I don't like it. All right, that's ew. It's like a mummy. Hello, Christmas mummy. What's your opinion?
It's kind of gross feeling and looking.
I know. Do you have a favorite duck of today?
I want to say this homeboy.
Yeah, soulless man. I think so too. I agree. Drippy drippy. We got some Dominoes for dinner. Hella excited. Let's see what it looks like. I hope it's not cold. Yo, that looks banging. Extra cheese, extra sauce. Hello, so it is almost 11 o'clock now, and I am currently playing Animal Crossing, and I'm probably gonna go to sleep soon. I am so tired. So, yeah, this vlog was kind of short too. Oh well. Sorry. Alright, I am going to bed. It's not even 12 yet, so I don't know. I'm exhausted. I'm in so much pain and I'm exhausted. Oh god. Sassy there. And my man's. Good night, Vlogmas. See you tomorrow.